A very good morning to you all. Hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So, dear student, as you know, PT3 are coming, right? And we had completed our 2 chapters for the revision. So, let's start today chapter number 3, Light, Sound and Force. We will do revision of chapter number 3, Light, Sound and Force. But before that, let's see what is the thought of the day. The thought of day is a negative mind will never give you a positive life. It means that your mind should be always positive. If your mind will be negative, it will not give you a positive life. So, every morning, try to give your mind a message to be positive. So, let's start the revision of chapter number 3, Light, Sound and Force. Now, first of all, let's talk about light. Where do we get light? We get light from sun, and we also get light from bulb, from candle. Yes, so the sources of light are sun, bulb, fire. Okay, so these are the sources of light. By these things we get light, right? Now here is a ball. How do you know here is a ball? You had seen the ball with your eyes, right? Light reflect on your eyes. That's why you see the things. So, light is very important. You can see the things only when there is a light. How plant make food? Plant make food with the help of sunlight. Right? So, light is very important. Now, shine a torch on a wall. What you can see? You can see wall is lighting. Right? Now, move away from the wall. The lighted area gets larger and less bright. In the same way, the sun shines from far away and spread its light all over the earth. That's why we get light from sun, because sun shine its light all over the earth. After light, let's talk about shadow. Shadow means a shadow is a form when something block the path of light. किसी भी लाइट का पाथ ब्लॉक हो जाता है तो वहाँ पे शेडो बन जाता है, राइट? सो एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, एक गर्ल एक टॉर्च शो कर रही है बुक को. ओके, सो वहाँ पे एक बुक का शेडो क्रिएट हो रहा है, राइट? क्योंकि लाइट और वॉल के बीच बुक उनका पाथ ब्लॉक कर दे रही है. दैट्स वाई वहाँ पे शेडो क्रिएट हो रहा है. लाइक द सेम वे यू कैन यूज दिस एग्जाम्पल विथ योर टॉय ऑल्सो, जस्ट लाइक दिस. Okay, so the toy is blocking the path of light. That's why in the wall the shadow of toy has been formed, है ना? So as we know that light is very important. So in this example, let's see. So how can you see the apple? If I put the apple in the dark room, can you see that? No, you cannot see that. But you can see the apple when light reflects on it, right? When there is a sunlight or bulb light or candle light, in that situation only you can see the thing, right? So you see the things when they bounce light to your eyes. You can see the moon when it bounces sunlight to your eyes. So the bouncing of light by an object is called reflection. Sound. Let's talk about sound. How sound is produced. So, dear student, as you know that the world is very noisy, right? You can hear the car moving noise, music, playing birds, dogs barking, right? You hear all these things. So let's see how sound has been produced. First, let's see with the guitar. pluck a guitar string. Okay, you can hear the sound it produces. Yes. Now look the string carefully. Does it look hazy? It means, does it look blur? Touch it carefully. Do you feel something? Yes, it vibrates. Yes, therefore it produces sound. Let's understand with second example. Now beat the skin of drum. You can hear the sound it makes? Yes. Now quickly place some rice grain on the skin. Do the rice grain jump? Yes, because the beat skin is vibrating. The skin of drum is vibrating. That's why the string of guitar and the skin of drum produce sound by moving back and forth very fast. So the sound is produced when anything moves back and forth very fast. This type of movement is called vibration. So dear students, sometimes you feel to hear the pleasant sounds like playing soft music, hearing soft music, creeping of birds, guitar music, right? This all considered in pleasant sound. And some of the noise like drilling machine, firecrackers, thunders, aeroplane, vehicle sound, these all comes under unpleasant sound. So the loud and the unpleasant sound makes noise and it can damage your ear also. So right, so the unpleasant sound and the light sound can make noise. Let's talk about force and energy. Force means dam. Energy means takat. Okay. So let's understand with some example. What you have to do is lift a book. Why does it move? It moves because you pull the book towards you. Right? Now, open a window. Why does it move? It moves because you pushed it away from yourself. Right? So, the things move when you pull or push them. Pull का मतलब खींचना और push का मतलब धक्का देना. Okay? So, the things move when you pull or push them. So, this pull or push is called force. Okay? Pull or push is called force. Force can move things. If something is heavy, you use more force. If something is light, you use less force. But how do you get energy to use that force? You get energy from the food you eat. So students, you have to eat healthy food to have more and more energy. Students, we get energy from food. Yes, but how this car get energy? Car get energy from diesel or from petrol. And how this wall watch or battery car, how they get energy? They get energy from their batteries. Okay, so from now onward students, eat healthy food. This food give you lots of energy and from this energy you will study hard, you will play very nicely. Okay, so promise me from now onwards you will eat healthy food. Dear students, study hard, all the very best and I will see you in the virtual class. Okay, bye-bye, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye.